Alright, y'all ready? I'm sure it feels awful with the same size front wheel.
It's terrible.
Yeah.
Because
this is just going like right over everything.
Right. It's shimmying the whole time.
Besides that, it almost fucking wiped me out going through that.
It's muddy, dude.
Yeah.
I've got to make sure I keep my hands off the front brake. Cause I fucking eat shit. Every time I drop my bike, I'd use the front brake.
And you fucking wipe out.
Yeah. Alright, y'all ready? Turkey Scratch is just like a half a mile up the road.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get taken out again.
It's to the left. What do you have to say for yourself, dude? Oh, shit, dude. Damn.
It's hot.
Ooh, that's hot.
Where's your other one at?
There's like 3, I think.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's what it was. It's a fucking rock.
Yeah, and there's more.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably what it is, I guess. Dude, this is covered in... You all have the Allen keys?
Yeah.
This is literally all I have. Oh, I might have my full log.
I'm gonna take that. Look at this here.
Just
Time to get started, boys. I don't know if I want to use that mouse anymore. Ow!
well, there's a stick in it.
I don't know which one it is. Know that.
I'll hold it so you guys can dig it out.
Hey, look at all that. That's fun.
Whatever poked me pretty fucking good.
Alright. We're gonna come back up here when it's dry.
Yeah. Chains are self-cleaning, right? At least my chain feels tight now. That's pretty cool.
I don't know if that's a good thing.
I'm trying to like get it all loosened up, at least. Because it's all starting to dry and shit. Yeah, look at these rocks. Oh, my hands are gross.
Yeah, too bad we're not by that water anymore.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's like, oh, we drove all the way up the mountain and then I get in the mud. The fucking...
Hell yeah.
Oh. Yeah, boy. My hands are still fucking gross. And of course it's rounded on the tip. Fuck, dude. We're just gonna keep going, see what happens?
Yeah, dude. You'll be
I think you'll
fine.
be fine. Just make sure you're listening for your time.
That's awesome.
Because we don't need you to eventually get a DJI if you guys don't get one with 1.8 so you guys can sit
I
out.
did a live 360. Live 360. That one.
Oh, and Spencer now.
Helicopter. I bet. Oh, he's a Cobalt man. Oh, fuck. I want to shake this guy's hand. Love Cobalt. I love Cobalt.
Alright, let's go look at that cave, dude. Have I taken y'all back there? Dude.
Cave? No. Just swimming holes. That's all it is.
I think you pointed out some caves that we
Yeah.
went by.
Hiking. I think you said there was caves on the hiking spot.
Yeah, that's a big
Wasn't
one.
there like caves that we passed going to that outlook or overlook? I mean,
Maybe.
I can't remember. There's one place we went that you pointed out caves.
I'll have to get gas on the way, well, like in Sparta, probably.
All right.
I don't know, we'll see.
Where are you sitting at?
Like 3/4 basically, but it's been a while. Because it's like 2 bars or something. You know, it's 3 and 3. But that first one really don't count because it's gone like that.
Yeah, I only look like I've used a gallon, if that.
Yeah, I thought you were running out of gas at first because you were like...
Oh no, I was just warming up my hands.
Yeah.
Who's got a flashlight, dude?
No way. Oh. Minecraft. Brother, this is fucking creepy. Florida Police Department, make yourself known. I like the sound of that.
We're gonna have to start crawling if we go any further than this.
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck that. This is sick as fuck though. I ain't crawling. Wow, dude. Wonder how many people got fucked, dude.
I saw on Reddit, dude, where like in the 90s, there was a body dumped in one of these caves.
Yeah, yeah. That's where most people go missing, is by caves.
Well,
yeah, I'm sure you've seen the map overlay where they take like the, or was it bodies found compared to all the cave systems in America? They line up perfect. That's just where people take bodies. It's caves for some reason.
And there's an actual big one that's part of like a trail down here.
Not doing that.
Dude, my fucking key and shit. My ignition's starting to get all wonky.
Squirt some fluid down in there.
I mean, probably.
Yeah. Dude, I've been in there. As far as you can go, there's another waterfall in there. Yeah. There's deer. It might break. That's good. Fuck it. Hell yeah.
You see the deer running, Jay? They're huge.